Bit of flux. Flux. I actually don't flux these because of the corrosion. I'm convinced that my soldering is not the best out there, but no need to cut away any ties. There we go. What's up, humans? Hope you're doing all fine. Bit of soldering today. Let's hook up this train first today, and after that some soldering. Bit rough, but... Okay, so I made all these wires today for some more track laying. I do this the old school way. This is just preparing them. 3 colors. This is how I learned it from my dad. I strip them with some fire. This way you're not damaging the wire. To leave all the wires as neat as they can be. I got us a small piece of track and I'll show you how to prepare it. First, I cut these connections. That's one. The other side. Oh, leave the tie. I clean up the underside of the track with a file. I actually don't flux these because of the corrosion. You don't want corrosion after a couple of years, so I don't flux the track or the rail. Just use bare solder. Heat up the rail with the point. First heat it up. Add the solder. The other side. Heat it up shortly. You don't want the ties to melt. Add some solder. That's it. It leaves these nice beads. Shiny beads, shiny beads, shiny beads. Just beat it like this. Focused. See, shiny beads. Flux. I think my soldering is worse than some of you. Some people are really good at it. But it's better than... Oh, there's a bit of blue coating left. And that burns black when you're soldering it. Some solder, and there we go. Long side and the short side of the wire. I always do it like that. You can use the long side to fold it, but I will show you that later on. There we go. That's nice. Shiny, it has to be shiny. That's what I learned. And this is what I mean by folding them. I use this to fold them in half, like this. To create a loop, a small loop. See? And then I close the loop with a bit of solder. Like that. like that. Like it? I use these ones to attach to the rail. You can fold them or bend them. You can bend them with tweezers or with your fingers. With my nail I can bend them as well. Yeah, here you go. And attach that to the rail, the flat side. But I just use the tip of this because it's already flooded. The prepared loop. Heat this bead up. Heat it up. Just beat it. And this is how it looks when mounted. This is quite sturdy. Sturdy, shiny. This is how you like it. And more important, the tie distance stays the same. I pre-fitted these holes so I can always install some switch machines afterwards. I think these new track pieces work awesome. Looking nice. Clean. Straight. Not wobbly. I like it. You won't see anything of it when you're done.